We have options here. We can start assembling the transmission. We can have one group of people doing the transmission. We can have another group sanding.
And we need a disassembly team too.
Yeah, oh yeah, we need a third team to just take trim off.
Trim and body panels.
Yep, that too.
I like to work on the transmission.
Me too.
Okay, then we've got 2 for the transmission, the 3 for the transmission.
Because he's redoing.
Paul, are you gonna volunteer? Or are you gonna hide? So then you have to do sanding.
For those that didn't sand last week, they should do it this week.
Yeah.
Right?
Who did not sand
Everybody
last
sanded.
week? I think everybody
Now,
did.
wait a minute.
Oh, Allie didn't. Sorry.
Okay,
I've done my share of body
But Chuck bought the cool tool like Wick has. SCT.
All right, so what we want to do here with this door is take it off,
It's fine.
take it off, unbolt it. There's 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It might be easier to take it off here with these 5, and then we can set it on this. And I've got this, and we've got the usual suspects for sanding, plus this monster.
This baby.
This thing rocks.
Whoa.
Did this.
Right, so
Wow, look at that.
That's way
yeah, let me
nice.
find a spot. I want to find a spot. I
Do
don't want to do it here.
Do it.
just trim here.
maybe do it right up here.
You want, well,
Well, let's see what it does with rust because we kind of were playing earlier and we didn't really get with rust.
variable speed. You don't want to touch it while it's moving. It'll take your skin off. Variable speed. I've got it set on 3.
You're gonna
It's
commit a
1
crime.
to 6.
Just run it over your fingers.
Yep. Okay. And you just put the tool on the metal and let the tool do the work. Okay. And
That
this
some
is,
bitch does the job.
here, give it a feel. You can touch it. It's okay.
Look at that.
Wow, that's amazing.
That's cool.
Yeah.
This works really well.
Feeder wheel lasts longer than the pads because last week as we were going through pad after pad after pad.
Well, I've already done this spot right here, and I just did that. And oh, wait a minute! I have to restart the song.
Oh yeah, this is the song.
This is a song.
The song. Hold on. Music break.
Let there be music.
Gotta restart.
Music break.
Did you break the new tool already?
No, the new tool rocks.
But so does this song.
This song is the jam.
It's
You gotta
a car
crank it
song.
up.
It's a
You gotta
car
crank
song,
it up.
car song.
Paul, crank it up.
I got it. I'll get it.
He's right there though.
I'll get it.
It's fine.
Here we go.
He'll get it.
He'll get it, he
He's gonna
says.
turn it up really loud.
Here comes the song. Music break.
You want to race? If you insist. At that price I can't resist. That's right.
Is that right, Paul? Right.
Tonight, it ain't right. I've got to have me a week.
is the right thing. We're gonna do 5 of these. Right? There's 3 down here.
I
2
like
here.
that tool.
So I would take 2 off down
Lots of
there.
practice because
2 off down
Eldorado
there.
is a big,
1
big
here.
car.
You're doing
That's a big
Eldorado.
thing. And then you gotta, and then we're gonna have to get a couple of people to steady the door and get it up there. And we'll pull
Door
the
removal.
trim off.
And then we get to do this one too.
So there you go. Rock and roll.
A wrench or not? No, we're just negotiating who's gonna. Oh, you want a wrench? Go for it. All right, I know. Well, that's the other part. No. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Yep.
Except when you're upside down and on the bolt.
What?
Ready for that front?
No, always video. We video everything. We video everything. Boys almost got the door.
Thought this was a quarter panel.
I don't know. We're working.
It's fine.
It's fine. Careful with the fender, boys.
It's just these top ones.
Hold on, let me come around. Coming around. What are we stuck on? One, 2. And you got 3 out the bottom?
Yep.
Should come right out.
Loose.
Top's just not letting go.
It should come out. Pick up on it
Yep.
and then go out. Oh, it's stuck in there. There you go. Wiggle it. Paul, you want to grab like a dead blow? Give it a little tap. Hey, guys. Damn, Paul. Savagery. Chuck lied to us. He said there was only 2. He said there was 5, wasn't there?
5 total.
There's 6.
There's that many.
Chuck,
Makes sense.
Chuck don't know how to count.
Is this gonna be long enough to get in there?
It was,
Yeah, you have an
it was-
extension. You're
It was
good.
the rubber.
The rubber was hiding it. All right. Do we all just tell Chuck it's not fine? It's not fine. It's not fine, Paul? With your
Watch this.
Luke Skywalker. You're like Geordi from Star Trek.
These bolts aren't even tight anyway.
Ooh, bumper go bye-bye. Door go bye-bye. Other door go bye-bye.
Front lip off.
Front clip off. We're going to make this thing look like a real junkyard special.
With the front.
Woo!
Okay. I don't have it to go all the way up over my head, so.
Yeah. Be careful, guys. Set it towards the center because you don't want this to flip. Okay, now carefully set it down, and then we'll get something to roll the windows up in a minute. Get the window up. Sherman, welcome back to the party.
All right, take a look here. Make sure there aren't any trim screws holding this together. And this should just, well, you know.
Yeah, it should just come off.
I got those guys for you.
Do some poppy.
Where's the 6th one?
By golly, you boys got it.
And then this just lifts off those.
Yep. There you go. Now get those 2 other clips that are stuck.
You want these out?
Yeah, and then
Do these just pop out?
they should just pop out just like the trim. They should have came with a trim. All right, boys. By golly, I think you got it.
Do we get baggies to like to keep stuff like this so we don't lose them?
It's fine.
There should be one on the